Hi folks, I've been running my refrigerator on my exclusively on solar for the last 3 days. Got up this morning, was at 12.3 with no load. The refrigerator wasn't running. And at 12.3 it's about probably 75% somewhere along in there, because 12.4 is 80%, 12.29 is 70. So yeah, what I'm running is I'm running it off of a 2,000 watt Renogy, and it's running out through. Now this is 12 gauge wire here, all the way up to my refrigerator. So yeah, yeah, we are. It is 12 noon now, and it's already recovered.